What's up, y'all? SCS. I seen somebody say STS. Steve Chevy Shop. We back with another one, man. So today, man. Ooh, let me tell y'all. I got some new batteries. My last set lasted. They was used, but they lasted. I got a call, but y'all know what's going down. So I'm gonna make this like a 3-4 day install, cause like I said, I don't drive this car. I'm really not driving none of my cars because, man, my primary focus right now is to get all of this clearing done. We about to get the VHX in this thing, black, white. Like I said, I'm just mounting it today. Probably want the power for it, and then the sensors, everything else probably do. Some of it tomorrow, some of it the next day, some of it the next day. Put everything back another day. Like I said, this car will be sitting right here for a minute. Probably get moved over once dirt come, if I get to that point. It's crazy, man. I had videos on how to do this years ago, man. It was getting views. It wasn't getting no thank yous. Wasn't getting no love or nothing. It's crazy, man. So let me show y'all something, man. You could take this Gage set out, right? The OEM stuff. You can take it out without cutting a single wire. You don't have to cut nothing. I don't cut a single thing, like nothing. Even when I install this, I don't cut nothing. Like people, oh, you taking the originality from. You don't have to cut a single wire. You have to splice a single wire. You can tap into everything. And then if you ever sell your gauges, your car, you get a low ball of people wanna. How much if you take this off? How much if you take that off? I don't know if it's me, but I always get people like that. How much without the wheels? How much without the wheels and tires? How much for just the factories? How much without the gauge? How much without the radio, the sound? I always get people like that. So I made sure my stuff is easily accessible. Like literally, I just take all the wires from the box, because the digital gauge comes with its own box. Take all the wires from the box, 2 bolts, disconnect the dash, and literally this one right here, plug in, 2 connections. That's it. It's back in. Probably take about 30 minutes of work if you're taking it out. Now putting it in, that's a whole nother story. Yeah, you don't have to cut not a single wire. But let me go ahead and get these 2 pieces out, and then I'll be ready to bolt the new one in. All right, so we like almost there, man. Taking me a little break, so I just gotta plug these up and then clean up. So I took the upper dash off, man, thinking that I could bolt it in from the back side up here, because last time I did it from down there, it was kind of hard on that one. But yeah, same method. I'll have to use the same method. So I'm gonna tie this dash back down under the hood. Couldn't get the dang oil pressure joint out, so that's something I'm gonna have to fuss with. But the speedo, I ain't even attempt. I already know that's quick though. And then the temp is done, and that's OEM coolant neck. So that side wasn't hooked up to nothing. It looked like it went to vacuums or something, so I just plugged it up in that. But yeah, man, shoot, I should be done in about 30 minutes or so, and then the oil be the only thing left. I just gotta find a way to get some channel locks or something, find a way to open that thing up, loosen it up, and get it off. Then I can make me a good video. But yeah, the wires ran for the fuel too. So a lot of people just run that one wire and get it straight from the dash, but you need that ground. You need that other ground. So I'm gonna run that down through the trunk to the tank. Man, I always finish these installs at night. That should tell you how much time it takes. So tomorrow I gotta calibrate. Let me disconnect that radio. I gotta calibrate the speedo, hook up the oil, cause I need some channel locks to take it off the oil cylinder. And that's it. Everything else, literally everything else is working. The temp connected, the RPMs moving, fuel is set up and calibrated. Like I said, the oil not. volts. Y'all can see it. Put the speedo in and calibrate it. High beams, left turn signal, right turn signal. Got some hazards. Brake. My e-brake work on this car. I'm telling y'all, this is one of the cleanest cars I ever had. My e-brake works, so I ain't putting no kick pounds in this car. Just because my e-brake work. I'll find another way to put some kind of sound down there, some tweeters or something. Shoot, put some tweeters in the dash, have it shoot off the window or something. But my e-brake work, I'm not doing it. But if my e-brake don't work, I'll do it. So yeah, just the oil, that's the only thing I gotta do, man. See if we can change the display real quick. Man, it just keep getting abused by the weather. Man, see, why you need that shop, man? You need that garage, man. I be telling people that, oh, it'll be alright. It'll be cool. I do not. I need to get my drip rails, man. They letting water in the car. I've not ever been a fan of keeping your cars outside, man. That thing look clean. I don't know how or why people say OG look better. That is a lie. Also, if anybody interested in winning a Gage set, go to Box Chevy World on Instagram right now, and you can enter for a chance to win that exact one I just put in black white. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and install my shift kit. If anybody interested in those, I sell those $75 shipped. Nice shift kit set like this. I'm not gonna install this one because then it'll take away my wipers, cruise, because cruise still work on this car. It just ain't hooked up. It's gonna take away all my stuff, so I ain't gonna put that in. And the blinker, I mean the hazards, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm finna give it a try real quick. But let's see. And this one, you just, that thing in there. You just unscrew it and it should come loose, but that is kind of tight. I gotta get some pliers. It's not gonna fit. 2 different threads. So I'm not gonna drill it out. I'm just gonna put the old one back in. It'll be all right. It's in there, but the pin won't go all the way in. And I noticed this is the wrong kit that I ordered. I'm stocking the wrong kit. So what I think I'm gonna have to do, excuse me, sweet thing.
Okay, Daddy.
What I think I'm gonna have to do is, I only sent 2 out. I'm gonna have to go ahead and just send them both a replacement, because that is not what I put in the picture. You know, I do legit this. This is the shifter that I like with the grooves in it, man. That's the shifter I like right there. Look at the what, baby? The dunk. She like that dunk, boy. Yeah, that's the shifter I like, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it right. They ain't messing me at all either, but I know me, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that for them. I ain't gonna even say nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make that order 5 to 10 at a time, so I'll do it. But if anybody interested, I will have some shifters in by, I wanna say, what's today, Saturday, by Wednesday. Should be in that way. The gauges are in. Like I said, I still gotta put that oil pressure gauge in, but other than that, and set the speed. Other than that, man, we in there.